Hello everyone, I am Anita, I am full-time freelancer. In this video, I will share the latest changes in my Fiverr account and how to pay to promote my gig. My channel mainly shares freelance platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, remote work, and work from home. If you also like this type of videos and welcome you to subscribe to me, because I have been working on these platforms for 3 years, with rich experience and earning a lot of money. I believe my experience will be very helpful for beginners. Let's start our Fiverr course now. There have been a lot of changes in the account platform of Fiverr recently. The first one is adding this workspace in business this part. Click here to see that there are 2 versions available, a free version and a payment version. The free version has 4 functions that can be used. Now I will click on the free version first to see which specific functions are available. Here is a free version of Workspace. There are lots of functions to help us to work efficiently, such as clients, projects, invoices, proposals, contacts and so on. And payment this part. Now it is adding Stripe this company, which can be received large amounts of payment. I think Fiverr's services are becoming more and more efficient and comprehensive. The second change is the addition of the promoted gigs feature, where Fiverr provides paid promotion services to high quality sellers, making your gig ranking higher. You can also see the cost, exposure rate, click-through rate, orders obtained through promotion, and other data of your promoted gig here. Pulling down can also see which 8 standards need to be met to maintain the level 1 seller. Many indicators must be met in order to continue maintaining the qualification of a level 1 seller. This video is almost over here. In the next video, I will share more platforms tips for freelancers. If you like my videos, remember to subscribe to me. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a message for me. See you in the next video.